Hello friends, how are you? Hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper parrot. For this you need a square shaped paper, a scissor, a marker and glue. Take this corner and touch it here and fold it. Same in the other side. Take these corners and fold it like this so that this corner goes a little bit of outside. Same in the other side. Now we are going to fold it into half. Now you need to fold it like this. Put some glue. Over here. Now do it like this and fold it again. Now we need a scissor and cut this part. Same the other side. For the last part, draw the eyes with the marker and the beak.